One of the key initiatives Life Sciences Hub Wales has been involved in is the Wales Cancer Industry Forum, which brings together clinical colleagues from across cancer care in Wales. It's definitely an inspiring field to work in, primarily because you tend to have a lot of very passionate people involved in cancer innovation. We work to accelerate the adoption of new technologies so that we can identify the innovations that are going to have a big impact for our patients and citizens of Wales, and to try and get those into health and social care as quickly as possible.
CanSense is developing a blood test for simple detection of colorectal cancer at its very earliest stages. Our blood test is very cost effective and very rapid, accurate diagnosis of bowel cancer. We use state-of-the-art hardware instrumentation so we can return the result very rapidly to clinicians to make quick decisions about referring their patient onwards or reassuring them much more quickly than is currently the case.
My name's Julie Hepburn, and I had a stage 3 bowel cancer 10 years ago, which was successfully treated by surgery and chemotherapy. And ever since then, I've been very involved in helping out in research projects as a lay member. I took part in a trial that was really a proof of concept. And so I took the drug for 6 weeks. I gave 4 blood samples, and that was all it involved. And it showed a huge rise in my immune cells. So I was very pleased to take part in that trial and to be part of the bigger trial now going forward. Cancer is a huge killer, and so there's a lot of interest in research to improve the survival of people with cancer and to make treatments a bit kinder.
What CanSense is doing is really changing the landscape of how we detect cancer for good. It's a really exciting place to be at the moment.
Here in Wales, we recognise that cancer innovation is really, really important. It's a huge challenge we've got to face, and we need to work together with all of our colleagues to be able to face that challenge. One of the key things that we're doing is working with our colleagues, working with industry, with academia, and with our clinical colleagues to make sure that we're identifying what the key priorities are for our cancer services, and then also matching those with the right innovations that will have the biggest impact for our patients.